Hey everybody, trying out a new feature with the iPhone 17. I don't know if you guys really want to see my ugly So I've got a bunch of projects I'm going to show you. These trees are neat. It's like a pop-up Christmas tree. And you just kind of pop it up. I should put the video out there of me before I found the instructions. It's a little bit of humor. So this touchscreen's coming in really handy. And one of the things I used it for today was to help get the H2D printer back up and running. As you guys know, I had it in pieces. And so it's nice to be able to print again. And shout out to Bamboo Labs, because I'm going to have one of the first H2C printers. That's kind of interesting. This is the D, and then the C is going to be more advanced. But it's going to have like 6 hot-end extruders. And so to change between filaments is only going to take 8 seconds instead of minutes. So that's kind of the latest and greatest tech. Man, I'm not used to having my mug in the background. So here's the latest thing to make my life easier. This is a Samsung 49-inch curved monitor, and it is making my life so much easier. So as part of the AI classes that I'm taking, I got to be conscious of, it's not just me talking, it's my face there as well. This is going to get interesting, especially if I start oh, good Lord. I need to stop laughing. So with the AI classes, I'm learning some really neat stuff, man. It's from Outskill, and I've signed up for their 6-month course. And I'm day 10. I'm exhausted. It's pretty fast-paced. Today we were using a product called N8N, and it's kind of neat. You can go out and like if you need to find data on all of the addresses for businesses, you gotta be conscious of putting my hand in front of the camera too. And phone numbers and stuff like that. It's called a data mine scraper. So I know how to do that. I can actually create spam phone calls, which I might have an interest in doing to spammers, because I'll have their number, and then I can actually create a spam a spam call to spam them back, selling interesting products. So one of our assignments was to make a AI video using tools like Runway and VO3 and Canva for Aura coffee beans. And so here is mine, that I think turned out pretty well. I should have had it all the way rewound, because it kind of gives out what's going to happen. Okay, so if we go back here, we're going to start it at the beginning. So the detail here is incredible.
That hits the spot.
Aura beans really do brighten your day.
So my idea here, if you look at the detail, the cowboys are talking, Bigfoot, we've got the waterfalls in the background. And what's funny is the cowboys are just concerned about they're out of coffee, and they don't even notice that Bigfoot is the barista. Man, I gotta watch my hand there. This gets interesting. I guess I need probably a selfie stick. Of course, when it flips over to the office,
Aura beans really do brighten your day.
The office workers don't notice that the painting has come to life in the background, and Bigfoot is they're source of the ore coffee beans. So pretty neat, fun commercial. I am going to have some major fun with that for the Black Hole website and NeXT products and stuff. Got to stop putting my left hand up. Here's a couple little Christmas things I printed already, like the Christmas tree and the black angels for Black Hole. And then we are working on, I've got this RP2040 going. And I guess I've got a call I'm going to take. But Marcel, I am working on your cube here. And so I'm going ahead cleaning it up. And I will talk to y'all later. Stay tuned. More fun stuff to come from the Black Hole.